Hey guys, it's Toxic Nick Dude here. Today I'll be doing a wilderness walk for y'all. Okay? So, I'm going to a site. I'm scared as crap right now. You know. So I gotta find this little site that I got all open. And I forgot which way to go. So I'm just gonna walk down these trails from I wonder if this is even a trail. Sorry guys, the camera's. Oh, there it is, right there. Here it is. Right here. This is the place. This is the most awesomest place. This is very scary. Oh, I'm looking for the phone camera right now. Shaking. Here we go. Whoop. Okay. So, what are we gonna do? Should we do some parkour? Something like that? Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah! Yeah. Ow! My leg! That's what a bunch of animals have done. Right into there. They couldn't see anything. Nope. Nothing in sight. Ow! You don't hit me in the shoulder. Oh, y'all need to be careful of fidget spinners. Because look what happened to me. Fidget spinner. Focus in. Focus. See? It's indented my nail. It was a metal fidget spinner. I was making it go fast with an air compressor. And then something happened. Now, run. We're going to go see a lake. There's a lake right there. We're not going that way. Tiny lake. We're going to this one here. Here we go. Oh. See that beautiful lake? This ain't my property. Yeah, technically it is a property, but still, I never go show that stuff. I never want to do like nature walk. Look at that puddle. Okay, I'll get back on to our site. Yeah, I might end the video. But oh no, that's not raining. The tree's blowing from rain. The rain is blowing off the tree, so I gotta run. I don't. Okay, it's gonna be hard. I'm really looking through the camera. Oh, that's scary. Dare me to jump? There we go. Now I might not make this video long, but yeah, if you want to know where I live, I'm just telling you in Hogansville. I live on Brooks Street, I think, Brooks. I think so. And I have a bright yellow house. Hogansville, GA. Georgia. Y'all don't know what GA means. Y'all should if you do live in it. Whoop. See that frog? Try to catch it, okay? Close. Should we touch it. No, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. I'm going to catch you no matter. Catch this frog no matter what. It's coming to me. I can do that too, Big Shot. There he is. Not gonna get away from me now. I'm just getting you. Gotta get it with my strong hand. This hand right here. Nope. I'm slowly getting them. Don't worry. He ain't gonna get hurt either. I'm telling you. Okay. Okay. There he is, guys. It's my good luck frog right here. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next video.